Welcome to Sammy's Feast with Grana Padano DOP. No Italian feast is complete without a delicious white bean dip. So I'm going to show you my recipe for a roast garlic, white bean and Grana Padano DOP dip. Everyone's got that random can of white beans back in their cupboard they've totally forgotten about, and I'm going to show you how to turn that can into a little bit of magic. The first thing we need to do is roast our garlic. So grab yourself a whole bulb of garlic and we're just going to trim the top off. And that exposes all the garlic cloves and makes it really easy to squeeze out. Then we just pop it on a tray with some foil, drizzle over some olive oil, wrap that up and pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 50 minutes. While that's roasting, we're going to get the rest of the ingredients ready for the dip. So I've got a beautiful wedge here of Grana Padano DOP. And how you know that it's a DOP status Grana Padano is by the stamp or the lozenge that you see on the actual rind. So when you go to the supermarket, make sure you look out for that. Can't help but try a little bit as I'm cooking with that. So delicious. Now DOP has to be made from certain dairies of a certain region, and the process is very controlled, a very traditional process. And that's what gives this Grana Padano the DOP status. It's kind of like champagne, but for cheese. Look at that beautiful snow of cheese. All right, so that looks like about a cup's worth of grated Grana Padano. Now a good glug of olive oil into the pan and just pop in our rosemary. So we're gonna heat the oil to a medium heat, and that's really gonna bring out the beautiful aroma from that rosemary. Okay, we can turn that off. Now while that oil cools and infuses, we're gonna start on our dip. So we've got these beautiful white beans into a food processor. And now we're going to pop in our cloud-like grated Grana Padano cheese. Oh, it smells incredible already. Now, a little bit of lemon zest, just to give it a bit of a kick. And we're going to add the juice of half a lemon as well. So squeeze in all that lemon juice. Now we're going to add in that rosemary-infused olive oil. It smells so beautiful. Some freshly cracked pepper. And now for that roasted garlic. You want to let it cool a little bit, but we can have a little peek to make sure that it's cooked through. It smells amazing. It's very soft. It's absolutely perfect. Squeeze every last little bit of that delicious garlic. This is all of my pimple popping dreams coming at me at once. And now we're going to blend that till it's nice and smooth. Just going to add a little bit of water. Oh wow, it smells amazing. And to be honest, I've been eating this dip at so many restaurants lately, and it's actually so easy to make at home. And now just spread it out and create some little divots so that when we pour over that beautiful rosemary oil, it can sort of pool and sit in little pockets. I'm gonna pop some of this rosemary on as a garnish, some of this beautiful infused olive oil. And just crumble a little bit extra of that Grana Padano cheese on top. And my favourite way to serve this gorgeous dip is with some crudités on the side. So some cucumber, carrots, even some beans, some radish. You can even serve it with some focaccia grazzini. I've got it with some baguette, and I actually just can't resist. I'm going to dive straight in. That is so delicious. The cheese really makes it.